Gentlemen, what do you have for us today?
This.
That's it?
You want me to pull my pants down and make my ass clap?
What does that even mean?